The charger recharges the batteries used by your cordless Dremel tool. Like any electronic device, it can fail after years of use. You can quickly test and diagnose a bad charger yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
There's a number of ways you can test your charger to find out if it's bad. A simple way to tell if the charger is no longer good is if the indicator light no longer lights up. In that case, it's likely bad. If you have a battery that you know is good, you can try to charge it. If after about an hour it hasn't taken a charge, it's a pretty good chance that the charger has gone bad. You can also use a multimeter to test the charger. Place the prongs on the positive or negative terminal and then one of the grounding tabs. If the multimeter shows voltage, the charger is likely good. If it shows no voltage, the charger is probably bad. Once you've diagnosed the charger, the hard part's over, and it's just a matter of replacing it. And that's how you can diagnose and replace the charger for your Dremel tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.